Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best recliner motor is probably one of the most essential components of your favorite recliner, enabling you to effortlessly adjust your seating position for optimal comfort. But what happens when that motor starts to fail? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing your recliner motor, ensuring your relaxation isn't interrupted. We'll cover everything you need to know, from identifying the right replacement to the installation process. Number 5. Universal Lift Chair Power Supply. Tired of a faulty recliner? This power supply is the perfect solution. It's designed to get your lift chair or recliner working like new again. This power supply is compatible with a wide range of brands, including OKIN, Limas, and Lasboy. It works with Deltadrive and Deltadrive motors too. If the connection is the same, it will work. Check if the connection matches your recliner. It replaces part numbers like ZBHWX, A290020A and KDDY001B. This power supply is designed to be a versatile replacement. This replacement features an updated magnet ring for longer life and no radiation. It comes with a US plug power cord and an extension cable, making setup easy. We stand behind this product with an 18-month warranty. Contact us with any issues, and we'll make it right. Make sure to check the product parameters and connector before you buy it. What we like. This power supply is compatible with a wide range of recliners, making it a versatile choice. It also features an updated magnet ring for a longer lifespan. If you have multiple recliners or are unsure of your recliner's brand, this universal adapter is a great choice, ensuring you're covered with its wide compatibility and warranty. What people say. From what I've read, if the power brick on your powered recliner or lift massage chair uses the same two-bladed connector, then this brick will work with it. My chair is a Mulin product and is only a single motor chair. It plugged right in. Number 4. Universal Recliner Chair Power Cord. Tired of power cord issues? This universal power cord is designed for standard 2-pin furniture connectors. Before you buy, make sure your furniture uses a 2-pin connector. Enjoy uninterrupted relaxation with this corded electric power supply. This replacement cord ensures consistent performance, so you can always count on it. This electric recliner power cord is lightweight and easy to install. Its sleek black color fits any furniture style, and it works with many different recliner models. This power cord is perfect for both home and office use. It's a great replacement option, giving you flexibility in how you power your furniture. Upgrade your living space with this Class 2 power supply. It offers improved performance for your recliner chair. Its strong build and reliable output make it a great addition to your setup. What we like. This power cord offers easy installation and a reliable power source for your recliner. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and integrate into your existing setup. If you are looking for a simple, straightforward replacement and value ease of use, this power cord is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to use. I grabbed them for my coach that reclines because unfortunately my rabbit chewed the cords and they worked great as a replacement of my old cords. Easy to remove the old one and install new, took less than 5 minutes to have a power recliner working again. This power cord plugged in perfectly and my couch reclines smoothly and consistently. The connections are easy to plug in. Number 3. Fromann Refined RJLDQ 1A11 Motor Actuator Kit. This is a replacement kit for electric recliners. It includes the motor actuator, designed for easy installation. It is suitable for sofas and massage chairs. Make sure to check the label on your existing motor. Also, troubleshoot the switch, remote, or power supply before replacing the motor. This will help ensure the new part works correctly. The kit includes a power supply replacement transformer. It also comes with an AC power cord and a motor cable. Please note that batteries are not included. It also comes with a 2-button round hand control. The cable length is 4.8 feet. This allows for easy adjustment of your recliner. The motor is a DC motor with small mounting dimensions. This makes it easy to install. It is a reliable replacement part for your recliner. What we like. This motor actuator kit comes with everything you need for a complete replacement, including an AC power cord and hand control. It's designed for easy installation, making the upgrade process smooth. If you value convenience and want a comprehensive solution, this kit is the ideal choice. What people say. These are good actuators. I'd recommend you buy a spare even if your original ones work, as what the furniture makers use isn't as good as these. If you haven't done the research yet, this is a universal replacement for all of the JLDQ.11.156.333 motor actuators. The actuator fit perfectly and now everything works great. Number 2. Fromann Deltadrive 1.28.000.131.30 Recliner Motor. This Deltadrive motor is designed for electric sofas and massage chairs. Before you order, make sure to check the label to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Before replacing the motor, check your switch, remote, and power supply. This can help you avoid any potential installation issues. It's designed for quiet operation. The motor has a minimum installation size of 389 mm and a stroke of 210 mm. This ensures that it fits perfectly within your recliner, enhancing its functionality. It features a 2-pin flat round power transformer connection and a 5-pin hand control plug connection. This makes it easy to integrate into your current setup. Upgrade your recliner with this motor for smooth and quiet operation. Transform your electric sofa or massage chair with this high-performance motor. What we like. This motor is optimized for quiet operation, providing a more relaxing experience. It's designed for easy integration with a 2-pin flat round power transformer connection and a 5-pin hand control plug connection. If you like a peaceful environment and want a smooth, quiet recliner, this motor is the perfect upgrade. What people say. We ordered a new Recliner motor for a lift chair and it came in one day. We installed it and the chair was running within 10 minutes. Worked perfectly. For approximately $100 and less than an hour of time, my son was able to replace the motor. I now have a like-new chair. Good replacement for Deltadrive B11406, and easy and fast installation. Number 1. Mulin ML18-017 Power Recliner Motor Replacement. Is your sofa lift chair not working properly? This replacement motor can help. It's designed to get your recliner moving smoothly again. This is a replacement motor with cord. It's a linear actuator, perfect for sofas, lift chairs, and massage seats. It's a reliable solution for your furniture. Replacing the motor is straightforward. This model is designed to be compatible with various furniture types. It's a simple fix to restore your comfort. This motor is the same as ML18-021, ML18-034, and ML8-174. It's made of aluminum, ensuring durability. It's built to last and provide reliable performance. Don't let a broken motor ruin your relaxation. Get this replacement and enjoy your recliner again. It's the perfect solution for your needs. What we like. This motor is built with aluminum, ensuring durability and longevity. It's designed to fit a variety of sofas, lift chairs, and massage seats. If you are looking for a robust and reliable motor replacement, this aluminum-built option is a great choice. What people say. Install was simple, was a direct bolt-in replacement. Even came with new bolts since the hole sizes were a little different than the existing one. Took about 20 minutes to remove the old one and replace with this new one. Took about 3 days to arrive and about 10 minutes to install. Super easy and works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.